Craving cheesecake but don't want to wait hours? I got you covered. Here's what you need: 2 crushed graham crackers, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 ounces of cream cheese. Mix the crackers and butter for your crust, and press it into a microwave-safe mug. Next, blend the cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Pour this creamy goodness over your crust. Pop your mug in the microwave for 90 seconds. Watch it closely because microwaves can be sneaky. Once it's done, let it cool in the fridge for a bit. Top it with your favorite fruits or a drizzle of chocolate, and voila! A delicious cheesecake ready in no time. Share this sweet secret with your friends. They'll thank you later.